What do I have today? This is a meat defrosting tray. Today, we're gonna check this out. Well, everyone, my name is Quincy. This is Cooking at Quincy. Today, we're not cooking. I'm reviewing this meat defroster tray that got sent to me by one of my friends. Reached out to me on Instagram, and this is their product that they're selling right now. So they wanted me to do a little review on it. So check this out. So this is an aluminum meat defroster tray. Prior to this, I've never owned or used one of this, but I do cook a lot. So this is being touted as a natural and healthy, energy saving way to defrost your meat, poultry, seafood, whatever it is that frozen, any type of frozen food. So definitely looking at it. There are a few things that I like about it, and there's a couple things that I don't really like about it. So let's get into it. First of all, I like the build quality. This feels solid. It's aluminum. I like the little touch with the logo right there. That's nice. Feels really solid. Thickness looks good. The design of it is kind of beautiful. I understand why the lines are in there. That will help to make your water that's defrosted off the meat roll away. That's pretty good. It's also a Teflon coated non-stick material. So I don't know how important non-sticking is because you're not really cooking, but it's non-stick. This also comes with a drip pan that you put underneath to catch, the juices that run off, which pretty nifty. I like that. This little lines here make sure the juices and the water goes in the tray. This is plastic, but it's fairly solid. I feel like this could take some drops. Yeah, fits right on there. You put your stuff there. In my experience using this, it takes about an hour to get stuff defrosted. So, it's not gonna be as fast as if you defrost it in the microwave, but you're not using that energy and you're not using the microwave, basically. Some things that I don't like about the meat defroster tray here, I wish it was a little bigger because, I cook a lot, and a lot of times I cook a lot at a time. So, this, I don't feel like this could defrost like a few steaks at a time. This could probably do like one really big one or maybe a couple decent sized ones. So if you have a big family and you're gonna be defrosting a lot of stuff, I don't think this particular defroster tray is going to be for you. What I'm not sure about is the length of time versus the thickness of the meat. For example, I did a piece of salmon on it it took, you know, all of 60 minutes, but I don't know how it would be if I put like a pork butt on here, like 7 pounds pork butt, you know, that could fit right here. So that to me, you know, is another concern. This Teflon coated aluminum tray here, I don't think I'll put this in the dishwasher because, you know, the wires in the dishwasher would scratch this up and you don't want to ruin the surface of this. That's personal to me. This is plastic and this looks like it could take a beating, so you could throw that in the dishwasher, but I wouldn't want to mess this up in the dishwasher. And you know, it's this small. Like you can hand wash this. So that's pretty cool. So a general overview of this product. I like it. There is more pros than there are cons. You know, like you could defrost 6 burgers on here. It's pretty cool. You just can't do like 6 steaks. You know, so there are pros. I like it. I would give this about 4 stars. You know, build quality is a big thing. The entire design is really good. The lines, it does what it says it'll do. It'll defrost what you got in an hour, which is pretty cool. I just really wish it was bigger. I really like that I got these little things in here. So yeah, overall, this is a pretty good product. I like it. If you want to check it out, I'll drop the link in the description to the Amazon store. Renee, this is the seller and friend of mine, so this is her product. Go ahead, check it out, see what other people are saying about it. This is just how I feel, and of course I'm not an expert in defroster tray. Good work on the product.